Further, we need to insert 6 harmonic means between 3 and 6 over 23. So let us begin. So first, we will assume that let h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6 be the 6 harmonic means between the two numbers 3 and 6 over 23. Then we can say that the first term being 3, followed by h1, then we have h2, 6 over 23. Then this sequence is going to be in a harmonic progression. Now, if it is in a harmonic progression, then what we can do, we can take the reciprocal of each term. The reciprocal of the first term will be 1/3, followed by the next term, which is 1 over h1. Then we have 1 over h2. This goes on till 1 over h6. And then we have 23 over 6. And this new sequence is going to be in arithmetic progression. Now, if it is in arithmetic progression, then definitely it's going to have a common difference. So let us suppose the common difference be denoted by the letter D in uppercase. Now, what's the nth term of a arithmetic progression? We know that the nth term is given by the formula an plus a plus n minus 1 times the common difference d. Now, in our case here, we have the first term a, so that's given by 1 over 3. Then we have the nth term an, so that's nothing but the last term, which is 23 over 6. And here n is actually, we have a total of 6 means that have been inserted between the two numbers and including the two numbers at the extreme points. So here we have a total of 8 terms. So that means our an will then become 23 over 6 equals to the first term plus 8 minus 1 times the common difference, which we have considered to be capital D. Okay, now let's find out this value, the value of D. So we have 23 over 6 minus 1/3. That will be equals to 7 times D. So 23 over 6 minus 1 over 3, that's going to be 21 over 6, which is equals to 7D, or simply D equals to 21 divided by 6 times 7. Now 7 times 3, that's 21, and 3 times 2 is 6, so D comes out to be equals to 1/2. Now that we have the value of the common difference D, so what we can do, we can find out the value of the second term, which is 1 over h1. Now that's simply take the first term, which is the previous term also, and add the common difference to it. So 1/3 added to D, so that will be simply 1/3 added to 1/2. So that's going to be 5 over 6. Fine. So this is going to be 1 over h1, which gives us the value of h1. So we'll take the reciprocal, that comes out to be 6 over 5. Then we have the next term, 1 over h2. That's simply the previous term, which is 1 over h1, and add the common difference d to it. So we have 5 over 6 added to 1/2. So this is going to be equals to 4 over 3, which means that h2 is going to be 3 over 4. Then we have 1 over h3, which is 1 over h2 added to the common difference d. So we have 4 over 3 added to half. So that gives us the value 11 over 6, which means we now have h3 given by 6 over 11. Similarly, we can find out h4, h5, and h6. We can, the value comes out to be 3 over 7, 6 over 17, and h6 will be 3 over 10. Thus, the 6 harmonic means are 6 over 5, 3 over 4, 6 over 11, 3 over 7, 6 over 17, and 3 over 10.